The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 4, continuation. Jessica, I wish your ladyship all heart's content. So Jessica wishes, Madam, whatever desires you have in your heart, let all fulfill. Portia, I thank you for your wish and I am well pleased to wish it back on you. Fare you well, Jessica. So Portia also in return wishes Jessica that let all her desires come true. Wishing this, she takes one farewell, means she moves away from there. Exeunt Jessica and Lorenzo. So Jessica and Lorenzo move away from that scene. Now, Portia continues her conversation with Balthasar. Now, Balthasar, as I have ever found thee honest true, so let me find thee still. Take the same letter and use thou all the endeavour of a man. In speed to Padau, see thou render this into my cousin's hand, Dr. Bellario, and look what notes and garments he doth give thee. Bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed, onto the traject to the common ferry, which trades to Venice, waste no time in words, and get thee gone. I shall be there before thee. Balthasar, Madam, I go with all convenient speed. Exit. See here. Portia continues her conversation with Balthasar, telling that I find that you are a very true and honest person till now. Now also I expect the same from you. Take this letter, go to Padau as soon as possible. There in Padau, you will meet Bellario, my cousin, Dr. Bellario. Give this to give this letter to him and collect the reply letter what he gives to you, and also garments means clothes what he gives to you. Please go as soon as you can and come back to the ferry. Ferry, a business place. See, Tranect to join. There I'll be waiting to meet you. Please come back to the ferry where boats are found to travel further. Okay, a parking place of boats, children. Ferry means a parking place of boats. So she instructs him to come back to ferry and tells that I'll be there, which trades to Venice, means from there I will travel to Venice. Please don't waste time, go fast and come fast. So Balthazar tells that he will go as soon as possible and come back as fast as possible. Portia, come on, Nerissa, I have work in hand that you yet know not of. We'll see our husbands before they think of us. So Portia tells to Nerissa that come, I have a plan to tell about which you don't know, and before our husbands could think about us, they will see us again and we will see them again. Here, Portia is planning to go to Venice to help Bassanio and Antonio. Nerissa, shall they see us? She questions. So, will they see us means is it possible? Then, they shall, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished. With that we lack. I'll hold thee any wagger. When we are both accounted like young men, I'll prove the prettier fellow of the two, and wear my dagger with a braver grace, and speak between the change of man and boy with a reed voice, and turn to mincing step into a manly stride, and speak of phrase like a fine bragging youth, and tell quaint lies, how honorable lady sought my love, which I denying they fell sick and died. I could not do withal. Then I'll repent and wish for all that I had not killed them. And 20 of these puny lies I'll tell, that men shall swear I have discontinued school about a 12 month. I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of these bragging jacks which I will practice. So she tells that, Portia tells here very clearly that yes, they will see us, but very difficult to recognize us because we both will change ourselves into young men by disguising ourselves. And dear, in both of us, I will be the smarter one because I'll be speaking in a reed voice, means rough voice like a man, and I will take 2 steps, longer steps than a woman could walk, and I will tell puny lies, means hundreds of lies to make them believe that 12 months before I left my school and in my place. So many girls were mad to fall in love with me, and so many died because of I rejected them to love. Like this, I'll make all men to believe that I am a young and handsome man, and our husbands will not recognize us. So she tells that I will just go on tell so many lies like this so that they will believe me without any extra thoughts. Then here, two lines I'll add. But come, I'll tell thee all my whole device when I am in my coach, which stays for us at the park gate, and therefore haste away, for we must meet 20 miles today. She tells that come. Now let's go. Let's go, and let me tell you about all these things when we are going in our uh, coach. Coach means carriage. Yes, when I'm going in carriage, I will tell you all these things. Still more plans are there, still raw tricks are there in my mind. I will tell you, and what all to practice to behave like men. I will be telling you. Children, here we complete Act 3, Scene 4. In coming up class, we will learn about many things. What is going to happen, how Portia implements her plan. Fine. Much is awaited in further scenes. Thank you.